Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered with BTCC this month to offer you an amazing 10% deposit bonus of any size when you deposit above $500 on their platform. For example, you could deposit 10k and get a 1k bonus totally for free, which is absolutely insane. Obviously you can do the maths on any deposits above that. Link is below in the description. Make sure you sign up and get involved today. Alright then, we're just taking a quick look at XRP then today on the daily time frame. As we can see, last week we had that unbelievable massive drop to the downside. That was probably needed to flush out a lot of that nonsense high leverage long positions in the market that we have seen for some time. We've been declining slowly ever since we hit the all-time high, currently down around $1 or so since the all-time high was hit. You can see over the past month or so we have been just heading down as you would expect, just in line with Bitcoin chopping sideways and basically chopping the market up. You can see Bitcoin here has just been going sideways for a while, basically chopping the entire market up. XRP has been holding exceptionally well compared to a lot of cryptos, but if you look across the market, you can see basically all our cryptos looking fairly similar. Getting a recovery this week, but the whole altcoin basket looking very similar. Bitcoin here, as we can see, still in its range and going sideways. And XRP has actually been doing really well in comparison to a lot of cryptos. Currently sitting at just under $2.50 as we can see. Not too much going on aside from the fact that we are basically just, as you can see here, coming back into a good area of structure after coming up tapping the all-time high and very obviously getting a rejection from the all-time high that you would expect. A lovely liquidity flush all the way down to $1.75 here. I've got a sneaking suspicion that Bitcoin is going to drop back down towards this 80k area down here. If that's the case, we're going to see all of our altcoins get absolutely smashed to the downside, which is going to be very interesting to see. I do think that this could be on the cards. You could see these massive bearish divergences coming in for Bitcoin here. As you can see, we could either be resetting for another leg up or a big retrace before the next leg up to the upside. XRP here, in my opinion, looking like we could be having a very nice retrace back down, maybe even all the way down into this area at around $1. You could see we had this unbelievably huge surge to the upside here of around 600% from 50 cents to the all-time high of $3.30. But I do think that we could see ourselves get a 50% retrace of that move. That would take us down to around $1.25 into this area here, a good level of liquidity as well. Overall, I think XRP has done exceptionally well during this latest period. Obviously, we've come up tapped the all-time high, but I do think there's more retracement in the market coming, and I do think XRP could be one of the cryptos as well that sees a big correction. I think sub $2 is going to be quite an obvious trade when we see it coming in the next few months. If we see Bitcoin dropping, we are going to see XRP heading back down into this area. I would say this area here is a really good area to be targeting. You can see there's a bit of liquidity down here. We've already swept the low once, but I do think if Bitcoin retraces, we could see XRP continuing down in line with that as well. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up to BTCC to get your free 10% deposit bonus and to like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.